In heavy-duty machinery, companies across industry spend nearly $1,000 in training per employee, largely delivered in traditional formats like classroom-based seminars and classes, and even online training modules that mimic the field experience. In the coming years, augmented reality applications are being developed for industrial purposes, striving to take educational approaches to the next level, by empowering workers to have the most accurate information available in context, when and where they need it the most. DuraTag's solution provides generic augmented reality module for training, repairing and maintenance of the machines and its components, using media-enabled technologies to bring benefits to manufacturing industry, processing industry, automotive, aircraft, etc. The proposed solution could cover most of the scenarios to address the most challenging of problems across different industries, creating an end-to-end experience between the customer and the product, an experience from design to manufacture to delivery and usage. Facilitating digitized data sheets for the machines and having different environmental parameters collected using the existing platform, such as working hours, temperature, previous malfunctions, and the augmented reality tools could provide comprehensive data visualization and training. DuraTag is based on smart tags, as unique item identifiers, that are generated automatically when the machine or its part is created in the product passport module. Tags used to trigger augmented reality content have functional ink area, for monitoring of the machine overheating. The highest temperature for reversible inks is 65 degrees Celsius, but irreversible inks are available for higher temperatures. Custom-developed DuraTag platform was built from scratch, using open-source technology supported by MIDI, to enable the access roles for different stakeholders, such as companies or individuals interested to be a part of this value chain. Platform covers different user types: machine manufacturers, parts manufacturers, engineers, service companies, machine operators or maintenance staff, to support the flexibility and work process of those different roles. More specifically, the components can be monitored to provide more insights on mechanical materials in different conditions to enable refurbishing, reusing, recovery and reselling. Mechanical products may consist of components, but components can also be considered as products elsewhere in the supply chain, so the whole concept supports circular economy and sustainable practice. DuraTag experiment was proposed and executed by Moonstruck, a software engineering company founded in 2011 in Belgrade. As a full-service company with focus on high-level software, Moonstruck develops top-quality solutions custom-tailored to industrial demands. Core of the company is a team of experienced and talented engineers, with wide spectrum of expertise in various software and hardware technologies, blockchain practitioners and enthusiasts for AI and artificial intelligence.
The field trial included testing at two different premises of two different factories, Bank Pro in Kraljevo and Promega in Pančevo. The number of involved users during these 4 weeks field testing was 10, including operators working on waste bricketing, waste transporting and CNC machines, with a total number of 20 deployed smart tags. The project involved machine producers, engineers, workers, and service personnel in the requirement definition process, the development process, and evaluation of the DuraTag platform. So the engagement of the two different companies in this process allow us to extend the user base of our product passport solution with augmented reality capabilities. On the other hand, through the sales interviews that we did, DuraTag team has onboarded 5 companies from Serbia, Slovenia and Switzerland as test users on the platform and received very positive feedbacks. Now we are going further with the negotiation of actual business cooperation with those stakeholders.
DuraTag. Upgrading heavy-duty machines.